I'm going to summarize our negative points here. First off, according to the New York Times, Mr. Obama said that the majority of Americans have come to a consensus that we should pursue this research, and the potential it offers is great, and with proper guidelines and strict oversight, the perils can be avoided. So, basically, the American people want stem cell research. They know that it will help us in the long run, and we're going to regulate it so things like cloning won't actually happen, and we're going to keep this as moral as possible. Next, embryonic stem cell research is better. Embryonic stem cells act better than adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells, according to adult versus embryonic stem cells.com, embryonic stem cells can be grown fairly easily in the laboratory, whereas adult stem cells are not easily grown after isolation from mature adult tissues. So you can grow these better, and not only can you grow these better, they'll actually survive longer because they don't need mature adult tissues to survive. Not only that, adult stem cells can turn into other tissues, according to the California Institute of Regenerative Medicine. Adult stem cells can turn into other types of tissues, and that means that their flexibility as therapies for types of diseases aren't as viable as embryonic stem cells, which can turn into any type of tissue because they're in that process of becoming those kinds of tissues already. And moving on to their moral claims, they're saying that they're killing a person that would be like a normal person like us, but these cells are grown in a lab for the purpose of either in vitro fertilization or leftovers from that process, and they're going to be destroyed anyways. So instead of destroying them and wasting them, we're going to use it for research to help people that are already alive. So there's no real moral problem with this, unless you think that destroying a small cell born in a lab is more important than saving people that are suffering from diseases, need organs, or just born with a birth defect with no fault of their own. Not only, finally, the cost of this. Stem cell research actually doesn't cost as much as you think. According to the National Institutes of Health, embryonic stem cell research last year for 2011 only received $123 million. That's not a lot when you compare it to like other research programs like genetics and other things like that that are being funded in the billions of dollars. So it doesn't actually cost that much to do this research. So we should, and this research does seem like it has a lot of viability in the long run. So we should actually pursue this research.